Hey you guys, hope you're having a really great day. So I realized that I did not record an intro for today's video. So here I am at 2 o'clock in the morning in the bathroom. I've been going to bed around 2 o'clock in the morning the last couple of nights because the house is very chaotic right now. By the time you guys see this, you're not gonna see the chaos, but I have recorded the chaos, okay? I don't know if you guys noticed, but my videos don't play in real time. They haven't been playing in real time for a minute. They're delayed by at least 2 weeks. With that being said, a lot of things has happened since the last video. The ceiling in the master's done. The ceiling in the closet's done. The cabinets are painted. What else is going on? I'm starting to get things for the boys' room. What else? The flooring is gonna get done downstairs. What I'm saying right now is in real time. The video that I'm about to post was done last week, but I realized I didn't have an intro to it, so here I am spilling the whole tea, darling. But yeah, it's a lot that has to get done in the house, but I'm feeling really good. But anyway, let me go ahead and go. You guys have a really amazing day. Although it's nighttime now, I'm gonna go take a shower and get myself ready for bed. I'm gonna take my hoodie, I'm gonna put it over the chair because 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna put it back on in the morning. Yeah, so you guys have a really good one because I'm about to go namaste with my closet real quick. So I have my sweet potatoes and I have this red potato. I'm gonna mix it all in with some red onions and then I'm gonna put it in my air fryer. I am so excited to use this air fryer. I used it last night, made some dinner, and it was absolutely amazing, y'all. I am officially converted, Yeah, please. Because I have so much to cook, you guys, I don't want my hand to get dirty. I'm putting gloves on, but you don't have to put gloves on to make it. And I kind of just messed up by adding the olive oil. The machine says no oil necessary, but I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit just to coat the seasoning on there. So what I'm doing now, you guys, is grabbing the air fryer. Like I said, I only put a tiny bit of olive oil onto the potatoes, and then I put onion powder, garlic powder, and then the vegetable seasoning sprinkled all over that. And then I'm doing a really thin layer of the potatoes in the air fryer. That way I know that everything cooks thoroughly through. But I am really enjoying the air fryer overall. Once I'm done adding in the potatoes, I'm gonna then take the onions and do the same thing. Add a little bit of olive oil and then the onion and garlic powder along with the vegetable seasoning. That way the onion has a really nice season also. So I let my son do the honors and I opened up the air fryer, and you guys, the potatoes were absolutely amazing. I transferred them over into a white bowl, that way you guys can see them, and they looked and tasted and smelled absolutely amazing. Only took about 12 minutes to get the potatoes done. They were really nice and crispy on the outside, but then the inside was really nice and gooey. So while I'm getting everything else done, I took the potatoes, I mixed it with the onions, and I popped them into the oven. And I do have the oven on warm to keep everything nice and hot till everything gets done and we can have a really nice and hot breakfast. Next thing that I'm going to be moving on to is the bacon, and for that I'm going to be putting in a little bit of cinnamon sugar. If you have brown sugar, take a little bit and you want to sprinkle it on top also, because you guys, it is absolutely amazing and you can make like candied bacon. You guys, it wouldn't be breakfast without my caramel cappuccino. It's so good. You want to try it? It's hot.
I doubt it.
You doubt it?
Yeah. It is.
You can't fill it with the cup, but just sip very slowly. Blow and sip. You hold it so you can have control. Back away from my cup. You want to taste it?
It smells good. It tastes good. It smells good. Low. It's hot.
I know it's hot.
It's not that hot, but it tastes good. I thought it tastes horrible. It's like it was hot. It said, and I was like, no. And then it didn't burn. And then it said, tasty, the light. But sticky loud.
You guys, it's so good. This one here, let me show you guys really quickly. And no ice cream. I'm making breakfast.
I know. I'm just trying to see if it gets cold.
Okay.
To get cold.
I like my coffee pretty strong. So I did the Cafe Bustelo. I really like it. And what I did is I did 2 4-ounce cups, I believe it was, or 2 6. I did 2 of these, and I did my cup. But it's okay because compared to someone who has coffee every single day, between I would say Wednesday and today is Tuesday, this is my first time making coffee. So if I made 2, it was actually going to be okay, but I can see how this can get pretty costly. But like I said, I don't drink coffee every single day. I probably have coffee about 3 times. You guys are going to hear some noise because Noah is actually finishing up the trim work right now in the house and stuff, but I really like this coffee. You guys, look at this bacon. Oh my god. I sprinkled the cinnamon. Don't have any brown sugar, but I highly recommend if you're gonna try this, put some brown sugar on it because it's amazing. But I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the bacon, and then I'm gonna show you guys my whole entire breakfast. You guys, look at all that oil. Now I did add a little bit of oil to the potatoes and I did see it, but this right here is mainly from the bacon, like for real. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. I don't know, y'all. I feel like I'm converting. I don't know if I'm gonna be using my stove top for these little small, potatoes, sausages and stuff. The air fryer is my new friend. Don't you touch that bacon, boy. I bite your finger.
Let me just get that one.
I bite your finger. I bite it.
It looks so good.
I bite it.
Please, Ma.
Go ahead. But this breakfast is looking good. So this is the first plate. I'm gonna go ahead and get the pancake plate together. But this is absolutely amazing. I ain't even eat yet, but I'm telling you it's amazing because I can just tell and smell it. All right, here's the boys' breakfast: pancakes, eggs, bacon. That's all they wanted. I have the potatoes and all that stuff, but they didn't want any of it, so that's it, you guys. Okay, so I hardly ever share things like this, but we were out of pancake mix, and my son made waffles. He did all the mixture. I have to clean the mess right there, but that was mainly me and a little bit of him. But he measured everything, got everything out, and I was like, hold on, let me put some of this bacon. So now we got bacon waffles. This was like super cool. Never done this thing before.
Bacon waffles.
Okay, bacon waffles.
Here.
Okay, go ahead, taste it. Do a taste test. See how that tastes.
Same time. Hold this. Don't eat it yet. Don't eat it yet. Let me get a piece.
And you gotta get some syrup too.
Right,
Okay,
ready?
1, 2, 3, go. I'm making some foodies over here, y'all. This was actually really good. And what it is it's maple bacon. I have one more pack left, but it's maple bacon. And while it was cooking, I put cinnamon sugar on it. So it's good. It's really good.
Ma'am, I said new combo.
Oh,
He said he want the new combo waffle.
This new combo waffle is my combo waffle.
All right, well, let me go ahead and tackle this cleanup, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me unplug it real quick. I love these plugs on the cabinets. They are amazing. If you guys are wondering, this is the all-clad waffle maker. I'm gonna tell you now, I think I got this one from Home Goods for like 50 bucks. 100%. When Home Goods open back up, if you see this, I'm gonna tell you to get it. It makes super thick, fluffy waffles.
Fluffy waffles.
Super thick, fluffy waffles.
Boy, share.
I like that. You already ate. You ate the pasta. You ate shrimp. And then here's my little coffee cups, you guys. This one's the 15 and this one's the 8 that I told you, but It just looks so good.
Pieces.
Definitely stay tuned for the next video. I will be sharing this wonderful design and also the ceiling in the master bedroom. I love it. It just looks so good. It's not the original idea that I had, but it's very, very close. And I think you guys are really going to enjoy the master bedroom once all the concepts that I thought about have been finally executed. Thank you so very much, you guys, for tuning in. I will see you next time. Bye.